Hi guys, it's SaVlog here. I got really something special. I'm around Italy and drove a road ahead and I saw this beauty. I think it is a lost stadium and we fly with the drone over it. I'm going to try to find a way in and we're looking some stuff up. Wow, it's stunning. And I think over there, you see yes, I think that's the new one. Maybe a new stadium and that's the old one and it's really vegetation gone over and we look at it now. I'm trying to pack my stuff, look around, and maybe we find something really interesting. Okay guys, I got my GoPro up here. I hope this works. So you see what I see? I hope so. I'm looking like a those ears, guys. Let's look around first. There's the sign. Like you see, video. They have video recording. They say. I don't think so. I don't know if they're still video recording that thing. Should we go in first? Let's go first in. Come on, guys. I really want to do some drone shots, but I really want to capture my first expression. If we're going in here now. Let's go, guys. Oh my! Oh, I can't get in here. I need to be fast. Let's go. Okay. Yes, a little bit of vegetation. Now let's look at these. Oh, behind me, sunset. We got 19 o'clock, I guess. Okay. What? Okay. What? Oh my god, you see what I see up here? It was a stadium. Wow, it's really big. Wow, why they stop? Oh, wow. I don't get it. So big. We go up here. That's awesome. Oh. Wow, guys, look at this. This is awesome. Don't know what to say. Really. And over there, you see? I guess this is the new one. And now we will go up. And let the drone do the job of this beautiful sight. It's didn't thought it was like this. Oof. I really look forward to make some shots over here. That's silly. Oh my god. No people around. It's awesome. I love it. And we go up here. Whew. Wow, what a sight. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this little journey. I hope I get some more of such places. So yeah, keep it up. I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye guys. See you later, alligator.